Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we have somewhat a continuation of one video that I made a while ago. It was a video on how to fix the most common issue with the molding of figures, the issue with the wobbling hand, that it doesn't stay together, it doesn't fix on one place. Today we're going to talk about the elbow, and basically it's the same thing. So as you can see, this little figure has not just one wobbling elbow but two of them, and today I'm gonna show you how to fix them. So all you will need is just some placeholder for hot water, and that's basically it. To do so, you take the figure, you pull the hand out, and you dip the arm in. You don't not have to dip the entire thing, only the somewhat half of it. After holding the arm underwater for some time, you basically pull it out and put the hand back in. If you want to, you can squeeze the hand in the place where it doesn't fit quite well. If it doesn't work, you can just repeat what you just did and continue doing it until it is done. It may be a little bit more difficult if the figure is made out of this rubbery material like what this hunter is, and it might get a little tricky, but eventually you can fix it and you will have a nice working figure. I know it's not the best method, but it's the only one I know, and I hope you do not run into this issue quite as much, and that you won't need this video. Anyway, that's it for the video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.